Wait, what are you doing?
I'm sweeping now.
You are sweeping. Are you trying to say that I'm dirty in this house? Or we are dirty in this house?
That's not what I mean.
What do you mean? Wait, what is your problem? Okay, you are sweeping my house now, you are using one hand. Stop it to be using two hands in doing this thing.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Stop it. Okay, look at now. You are sweeping, you are bending down. Can't you just stand straight like this and be sweeping this thing?
Like this and sweep.
Of course. Okay, that's not my problem now. You are sweeping and your bonbon, you take it to the road so that people that are passing will be looking at your bonbon. Are you trying to say that I'm blind? You are showing them.
But what I'm wearing is not exposed now.
I'm talking, you are talking.
Okay, I'm sorry. Why is it that you just want to make quarrel this morning?
Give me the broom. Do you know what? I will surprise you in this house. It is over between me and you. It is over.
What did I do now?
Your bag and baggages, I will whip them to you. Use this place. But I love her before. After the Christmas and New Year, we can continue the love. Or lost anyone.
Hi, babe.
Hey, what's this?
What?
Why are you dressed like this to my house?
How am I dressed?
You look like a criminal. An ex-convict. Look at your dressing.
Really?
Why will you wear glasses on your eye? Hey! Why will you be wearing cap? And putting on white, you are wearing white. That's son of disrespect. Can't you dress in a tactical manner? Do you know what? It's over.
What?
I said it's over. Start going.
Just like that.
How do you want me to say it? Should I go to the TV station and say it?
Hey! Okay, I get it. Don't tell me it's because of this Christmas that is coming you're breaking up with me.
Are you aware that's an insult? Are you trying to say I can't pay your bills?
Apparently.
Even if I'm to forgive you now, because of that insult, there's nothing like forgiveness. Start going.
And please, do not call me back because I will not pay.
I will mash you. I will mash you. I was going to call you. Because of this about issue, no money is very, very difficult to find these days. Well, I will reconcile after December.
Oh shit, I don't like shit.
Pack up from Ghana.
Hey, shall I see Baba? Let me flourish Baba.
Let's go, just some shit.
See my Joe Thomas standing on his own. Abegi called me, rushing down to her home. She want to give me fried rice. She want to give me jollof. She open something. I come see overload. Abegi, caterpillar, bullion fan. Abegi, caterpillar, overload. Heavy titty booty.
Baby, what are you doing?
Playing game.
Baby, come over to the bed now, let's play.
Bed. Partially profitable. Wait.
No, now, can wait for later.
Cover your leg. Cover your leg.
No, now. I just want you now.
We don't need this now.
My God.
Let's win the devil for
No,
once.
let's just play now.
Wait. Wait, let's win the devil. Wait, let's win the devil for one. I said it. It's a dream. Because the devil is supposed to win such case. Let's go, Bbnaija.